Small business in Fenton has been hurting ever since they had to shut down due to the pandemic. But now, using their ingenuity and expertise, they've turned their pain into purpose.
It will then come back to this remote control.
For a company like JML Audio of St. Louis, the pandemic has been more than just a bump in the road.
So we do a number of different vehicle enhancements, everything from high performance audio to adding backup cameras, navigation systems.
Not exactly a top priority at the moment, despite the fact that they've been in business for 23 years using high-tech tools, machinery, and craftsmanship.
Here's an example of how we would use a traditional laser for design parts. This is all laser produced.
But now Josh Landau and his team are using their skills for something else. To protect our healthcare workers on the front lines.
What this does is this will actually cut the lens of the face shield.
Instead of high-performance audio, JML is now producing high-performance face shields. Using materials they already had, the shields are made with automotive-grade plastic and plexiglass, which means when cleaned, they can last 20 times longer than disposable shields.
An actual shield of protection above and beyond the mask. It actually helps protect the mask and filter mechanism, but also protects the eyes.
They're also making thousands of ear guards so you can put a mask strap behind your head rather than on the ears. And it's all being sent to local hospitals and first responders.
And this may be, WashU, Barnes Surgical, and this one is an assisted living community. This one's going to the fire department of Chesterfield. So there's a number of different things. This is where we figure out all the logistics.
A small business making a big difference. Josh Landau says he's just following in the footsteps of his father and grandfather, who are also small business owners.
With them, it was always word of mouth. It was always taking care of their clients. With the idea, hey, if you take care of people long term, they're going to take care of you as well.
JML Audio is doing all this for free, but they're always grateful for donations. We can link you to their website when you go to the story on KSDK.com.